Hello and welcome to the transcript explanation of this design. It was done using the script that me and my friend Lauren Sherman have been developing since 2011, and this script uses a combination of different letter stems as well as modifiers to make the consonants. And it's also read starting at the bottom and then going counterclockwise, like a time traveler going back in time. So that's why starting at the bottom of this word circle, we'll go counterclockwise to have this word, and then lastly this word. This design was made to be engraved on a pocket watch, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. I actually have it finished up right here. Yippee. So I do these custom watches. And this side is an existing design with my transcription of what is said in the Human Nature Family of Blood episode, where the Doctor's Time Lord self gets put inside a pocket watch. So that's, I'm trapped inside, the secret lies within, I'm kept inside the cogs in the dark waiting, yada yada, bunch of stuff. But this side says speed and daring. So, let's get to actually reading it. So here's the first letter of our first word right here, and it's a shallow divot, so that puts us in the third row. And it is 1, 2, 3 lines on it, so that makes it an S. Whereas this one only has 2 lines and is a full circle, so that's a P. An E is there and another E is there, and then this deep divot has 1, 2, 3 dots with it. So even though all these dots are kind of in a pattern, we can tell that there's 3 dots with this letter, 1, 2, 3 dots with this letter, 1, 2, 3 dots with this letter. So that is why this is a D, this is an R, and that's another D. But anyway, as far as the order of the letters, S, P, E, E, D, speed. A, outside the word circle, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on this deep divot. So even though this dot is kind of by itself out here, it's still closer to this deep divot than anything else, so that means it goes with this letter, and there's still 4 of them, so that's a D. So, an ND, sorry. 4 dot column, yippee. A, N, D, and then 1, 2, 3 dots on the D, and then the A. Even though the A is further down below the D, because it's attached to the D, you read the consonant before the vowel. So D, A, R with 3 dots, I line going N-wards, N with 1 line, and a G with 1 line as well. So that's that design. I hope you like it. Bye.